Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a German cabbage salad. This is a cabbage salad with a vinaigrette as opposed to a creamy cabbage salad like an American coleslaw. And the main ingredients are green cabbage and green bell pepper. I'm going to start with some finely shredded cabbage. I shredded it in my food processor, which saved me a lot of time and just broke it up really fine. I'm also going to add some carrot, because carrot's always nice with cabbage. And I'm going to use some bell pepper, core it, take out the ribbing inside, and just cut a couple of small pieces here. I'm going to use some chopped onion. And for the dressing, I'm going to use some mustard, some vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, some celery seed, some olive oil, some salt, and a little bit of sugar. It'll provide a nice balance to the vinegar and the mustard. So I'm just going to toss that together until everything's coated. And there you have a German cabbage salad.